this video, we will learn how to enhance our vocabulary by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Juliana. So today in this topic, we are going to study about word power. In previous classes, whatever we have read chapters, that chapter's word power we are going to study now. So let's start. Sense. Ability to perceive. Organ. Part. Body. Physical structure of a person. Tongue. Muscular organ in mouth. Always remember. This one you have to always remember. Means everybody should know. We have 5 fingers in each hand. We have 5 sense organs. We have 2 ears. We have a tongue. If you want to learn more advanced English, then you can follow to my second channel, Learn English with Nancy Convo. And also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information.